Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Charger, and if you need to find a relay for the windshield wipers, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain where the relay is located, how to test the relay, and if your wipers still do not work, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover super helpful information that can save you quite a bit of money. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And Dodge Charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So where is the relay now, guys? If you come right here and open the hood, we have specifically 3.6 engine, but even if you have Dodge Charger with a different engine, the procedure will be about the same. This is your main fuse box right here. You have one notch here, one there, and you squish those towards each other, pull straight up, come up like that, and here you have the fuse numbers and relays, and that's what you have in the fuse box. Practically those two correspond to each other. What do you need to look for now, guys? You will actually have guys, two relays, okay, not just one. We're talking about two relays, so make sure to stay until the end. Number one relay, 42. This is a relay number 42 right here. If you want to see how to test the relay, how to find out if it's good or bad, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to actually, guys, test a relay and fuses, and you will be able to do that on your own. Number two, if you need to buy replacement relays or just to have a spare in your glove box, which is always a good idea, I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a really good price. Now you have one more relay now, and we're talking about relay 45. We're talking about that relay. This is for the wipers as well. You have two relays, this one and this one. Check both of them. If your wipers still do not work, we have a special video on our channel that's called Why Windshield Wipers Do Not Work on Dodge Charger, and it will teach you everything about that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.